Hello and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Gantt chart or project timeline for yourself, for your project. So this is a research proposal, as you can see, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create a simple Gantt chart in MS Word. You can do it in MS Excel also, but I'm going to show you how you can do it in MS Word for now. Okay, so as you can see, I have already created a Gantt chart for one of my projects, which was a research proposal. I'm going to recreate this considering weeks. Okay, the weekly timeline I'm going to create, not the month one. Okay, so first I'll go to insert and create a table and choose the rows and columns as per my convenience or as per the tasks. Okay, so we will list the research activities or the task activities in the first column, and the name will be tasks or activities. The second column name will be the time. Here I have created months, but for now I will show you as week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5 and week 6, and it goes on. You can see, yeah, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for now. I'll also create another columns one by one. So once you're done, you have to fill in the task column very carefully. So what are the tasks that are basically involved in a research proposal? Selection of the research topic, identifying the research question, literature review, methodological choices, findings, discussions, and everything. You can see this. I'm going to select the same text, copy this and paste it in my new table. Okay, ta-da, and the same text has been copied here. Now we have to show that how much time a particular task will take. For now, the first task will take the entire first week. So I'll color week 1. That shows that the first task, which is topic selection and refinement, will take week 1. The second one I can do is week 2. Okay, the third task I will choose week 3 and week 4. So this is how you can customize and modify your weekly choices. Once you see that the tasks are bigger than the week columns, you can simply right click on the mouse and insert a new column right next to the column that was just ending. Got it? So all you have to do here is coloring. Make sure that the tasks are colored, specified, so that the professor who will check your copy understands clearly that which task is going to take how much time. Okay, and just like this, I'm going to continue this activity, the coloring activity, for a particular task mentioned in the task column that shows the research activity and the respective time that is required to do this particular activity. And also I'm simultaneously creating new columns so that my Gantt chart looks perfect. I will have to create another column, and I'm also trying to resize the earlier columns so that it looks it looks good and decent. Yeah, so just allow me a few seconds to adjust the columns. Yes, we are almost done. Okay, we are done. Now I have to create 2 more columns because 2 other tasks are left. And as I said, only the respective tasks will be colored. So I hope you are learning something out of this video. Another column needs to be created. Done. And now let me name it. I have to reset this as white, and the final coloring is also done. So my table or project timeline or Gantt chart, whatever you call it, is ready. Okay, and I'm going to name it as table 1 Gantt chart or project timeline, whatever you want to call. and the source of this table will be self-created or self-developed, or you can simply write source as author. Okay, and I'm going to copy this table and paste it into my previous research proposal, which was monthly timeline, and this is a weekly timeline. And I just copied this and deleted the previous table and paste it right here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like, and thanks for watching.